Welcome back. Dude, I just realized that my eggs are about to expire. I'm gonna have to have scrambled eggs for breakfast, lunch, and dinner until they're gone.
Are you for real? Like, scrambled eggs is so overrated and it's so boring. No taste, no flavors. I'm gonna show you the Indian way of making scrambled eggs, and here's how. So here I have some finely chopped onions, some tomatoes finely chopped, 2 tablespoons of oil and some cumin seeds. We now put it in the microwave for 2 minutes or until they are tender. In a separate bowl, crack 6 eggs and beat them nicely.
So before you go to throw out your eggshells, just remember that they can be used for fertilizer in your plants. So maybe consider composting them.
We now place the bowl of eggs in the microwave for 90 seconds, then stir and put them back for another 90 seconds. Once the eggs are ready, combine your veggies and eggs until they know each other well.
Wow, now that is an egg dish.
Exactly.
Okay. Oh. Eggs are actually a very versatile ingredient, meaning they can be used in multiple different recipes. For breakfast, for example, you can use eggs to make French toast, or for dinner, eggs can be used to make a quiche. And if you have a sweet tooth like me, you can use it in a cake mix.
Flip it!
You can use it in a cake mix to make cake or cupcakes.
See, scrambled eggs is not the only thing you can eat. You can make eggs in a different way and enjoy it differently.
That's right. And also, eggs aren't the only thing with multiple uses. Foods such as rice, potatoes, tomatoes, beans, spinach, cheese, and chicken can be used in many different ways.
Thank you for coming at University Cooking 101. I hope these tips help you in the future and you can make more dishes than just scrambled eggs.
All right, we need to wrap this up. This dish is too good and it's gonna get cold.